Do you know you can earn money just by signing up for certain apps? Welcome to a world where your device becomes your wallet. Today, we'll explore two fantastic apps, Rakuten and Befrugal, that offer just that. Stay tuned to learn how to earn from Rakuten and Befrugal. Let's dive into the Rakuten app first. With an easy sign-up process, you're just a few clicks away from potential earnings. Start by downloading the app, creating an account with your email, and setting up a secure password. Voila, you're in. Now, each time you shop through Rakuten at your favorite stores, you earn cashback. And guess what? They even give you a welcome bonus just for signing up. Isn't that simple? Now, you're on your way to earning with Rakuten. Moving on to Befrugal. It's as simple as creating an account, which takes less than a minute. No need to worry about any complex forms or procedures. Once signed up, you'll immediately receive a welcome bonus. From there, you can start earning by shopping at your favorite online stores through Befrugal. The more you shop, the more you earn. It's a win-win, really. You get to buy what you love and earn extra cash while doing it. And just like that, you're set to earn with Befrugal. Let's quickly recap. We've explored two incredible apps today, Rakuten and Befrugal. Both these apps offer you the chance to earn money simply by signing up. That's right, no strings attached. With Rakuten and Befrugal, you can unlock a world of potential earnings, all at your fingertips. The sign-up process is a breeze, and before you know it, you're on your way to making money. It's as simple as that. So why not give it a shot? Remember, earning money can be as easy as signing up for an app. So go ahead and give Rakuten and Befrugal a try. Don't forget to subscribe and help this channel get to 10,000 for a chance to win our free money giveaway. Until next time, happy earning.